Give kisses to bitches that wanna take us across acres. Now they wanna say stuff. Nigga, I don't play tough. Nigga, I stay cuffed. Not to glorify all the bullshit and wake ups. It ain't worth shit if you ain't got your cake up. Mama told me, she said, D, better wake up. No time to fall, bitch. Nigga, wipe your makeup. These jealous fucks face fuck. Get your face cut, but I'm telling them, dog, better wake up. I'm about to cake up, just sweep them off the plate. What? You nice, but I'ma grade up. So when I say 318, it ain't made up. Look what I gave up, lost a fan. I'm like young Mayweather, cross him now, pick him off the ground. I'm supposed to frown, cause I'm a beast, my nigga. I might take a bite of little piece, my nigga. Whatever's mine, I'ma keep, my nigga. No Tinkerbell, never rock to sleep, my nigga. So don't sleep, my nigga. I'm strong when you think I'm weak, my nigga. So that bullshit you feeding me, I eat, my nigga. I'm a 4-time felon in the street, my nigga. I rap the way I talk, no bleep, my nigga.